Welcome to Test Your Learning 2. So in this problem, which is an extension of Test Your Learning 1, we are given a dictionary and then we will ask the user to enter a range. We want to have a lower limit and an upper limit that the user will enter. Okay, so the sample output should look like this. I will ask the user to enter a lower limit. Let's say they enter 2.5. I will ask them to enter an upper limit. Let's say they enter 3.85. I will use these two limits to look in the dictionary and return all those students who have a GPA within that range. For example, if we ask for 2.5 and 3.85, it turns out that Marla, Mark, Melissa, Maddox, and Maddie fit that criterion. Okay. Now, if there are no students which fit that criterion, then we should output something like sorry. All right. There are no students matching your criteria. Okay, now that brings me to Test Your Learning Solution 1, which I'll go back to. And keep in mind that what I omitted was if there were no students who fit the bill, we should have outputted no honor roll this semester, which I forgot to do. So let's clear that up now. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have an if statement. So if the length of the list is greater than 0, then I will go ahead and print my formatted honor roll list. Else, I will simply print no honor roll this semester. So if I click play, alright, there are no students with 3.5 or above. But if I change this to 8, then we now see that the previous formatting is printed. So all I had to do was to use an if and an else, which would print the formatted output, or print this line if there was no student who was on the honor roll. Alright, great. So I will see you in the next video for the solution to this second Test Your Learning. I'll see you then.